Cricket Wireless now offers Max, the streaming service formerly known as HBO Max, as part of their mobile plans. This integration provides Cricket customers access to premium streaming content directly through their wireless service. To access Max through Cricket Wireless, you must have the Supreme Unlimited plan. This is Cricket's premium plan that includes the Max Basic with ad subscription at no additional cost. Here's how Cricket's plans compare. Only the Supreme Unlimited plan at the top tier includes access to Max streaming service. Lower tier plans do not include this benefit. To use Max with Cricket, you need to link your Cricket Wireless account to your Max account. You must have an active online Cricket account, and only one Max account is allowed per Cricket account. The activation process is straightforward. First, download the Max app. Then select Connect with Provider and choose Cricket Wireless from the list of available providers. After selecting Cricket Wireless, log in using your Cricket username and password. Then create your Max account and set up your profile. Once complete, you can start streaming immediately. Important limitations to remember. If you change from the Supreme Unlimited plan to any other plan, you will lose access to Max through Cricket. The service streams at standard definition quality and requires a minimum internet speed of 5 megabits per second. First, verify that you have the Cricket Wireless Supreme Unlimited plan and that your Cricket account is active. This is the only plan that includes Max access. In the Max app, select Connect your provider and choose Cricket Wireless from the list. Use your Cricket username and password to log in. If you already have a Max account, you can link it to your Cricket account. This will cancel any existing billing through HBO or Warner Media. If you're still having issues, try updating the Max app, clearing its cache and data, or reinstalling it completely. Restart your streaming device and ensure you have a stable internet connection with at least 5 megabits per second download speed. For Apple devices specifically, go to Settings, then General, then TV Provider, and turn off HBO Max under Allow TV Provider to access. If problems persist, contact Cricket Wireless or Max support for assistance. Cricket support has access to your account information. As a last resort, try signing in with your Max account email and password instead of connecting through your provider.